Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to be unboxing a GoPro Hero 8 Black. Well, let's get into it. Now let's open it. We got this from Costco for 430 Canadian dollars. You guys can also get this from Best Buy and Amazon, but it's a higher price. You guys can talk to them and you guys can get a price match. Costco gives free technical service and you guys also have a 1-year warranty. Now let's unbox it. So GoPro is also giving me a case, which is super cool. Now let's see what's in here. So they have given us 2 batteries, which is super cool. So this is the battery. They provided us with 2. This is a mount. They actually have 2 mounts, one with a sticker, one without a sticker. This is like a bag, divider. And this is kind of the GoPro charger. And this is just I believe a screw. And now this is the GoPro itself. It's actually very small when you look at it in person. So this is the stick. It actually floats in water. I think they've given us a 32 GB. Sorry, this is a 32 GB memory card. And I believe this is just the owner's manual and the things you've given, how to turn on it, all of that stuff. And I have stickers, which is perfect. Everyone needs stickers. And this is just the safety instructions and stuff you can do and do not do with your GoPro. We actually got a Costco bundle. There's also a special bundle and normal bundle. We got it from Costco. And here are some of the features the GoPro 8 has. It actually has 12 megapixels, 4K 60, and it has slow-mo, it has Hyper Smooth 2.0, it's a little different from the 7, and it has Time Warp 2.0, also a little different from the 7, it has 180p, it has Live Burst, Super Photo, and HDR, it has RAW, it has folding fingers, it has voice commands, and also has touchscreen, it has GPS, and it can go 33 feet inside water and 10 meters also. And actually this little handle thing actually floats up when you put it in water, which is super cool. This is the status light. This is the shutter button. This is the power mode. This turns and turns on the camera and turns off the camera. This is the touch screen, and there's actually 3 mics. This is the door. This is the door latch. You kind of just have to. That's the door latch. That is the USB-C porter, and you put your battery in there, and that is actually your memory card slot. Now let's power it on. So I just turned it on, and it first asked the language, so I'm gonna pick English. Now it says terms and conditions. It says legal stuff. By using the GoPro, I agree to use the terms used available at GoPro.com or the GoPro app. You just have to download the GoPro app. So we just downloaded the app, we synced it to our GoPro, and we also named the GoPro. So you're gonna get 2 buttons saying view media or control your GoPro. I'm gonna press control my GoPro, and it's just connecting to the GoPro. And then you get all of these things. You can, take a picture, take a video, take a time lapse, and slow-mo and all these other choices that you guys can get. Now let me show you guys the GoPro. Now we've connected it, now let's check the videos on the GoPro. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Adios amigos!